In the Villa game, we had a player go to ground easily in an act of simulation, in an attempt to deceive the referee. Fortunately, the referee made the correct call not to award a penalty kick and was rightly supported by VAR on a review. The disappointment here is that having tried to deceive the referee by this act of simulation, this player has not received a yellow card. Referees need to be consistent. We witnessed at the weekend referee Sam Borrett not hesitate to issue a yellow card when he detected simulation in similar circumstances. All PGMOL referees have got to be consistent on this if we are to rid the game of this growing concern of diving, which is a cancer in the game.